Do you feel like you're caught in a daily juggling act of cleaning buildings, managing teams and reordering stock? Are you questioning why that same site is constantly ordering clear sacks and buckets? Now here comes another order. What mop head fits that handle? How do I send that customer their proof of delivery? I'm sure that order will take us over budget. Right. A text from Peter, he should know about our no bleach policy. Surely there must be a better solution. Stop. Take a breath and picture this. inCntrl, an online system providing a simple way to manage your company's cleaning supplies and consumables. Your site managers request the items they need from a preset site list, then seek approval via the website to release the order. You stay in control, setting core product lists, approving order requests, setting budgets per site and setting up standing orders. You can even separate orders depending on non-chargeable and chargeable products. The inCntrl system tracks all your deliveries and uses the latest technology to display real-time photographic proof of delivery. The system gives you complete control over order management, tracking and exporting spend and monitoring product usage. inCntrl is the all-in-one solution to your everyday stock problems, so you can spend less time juggling and more time focusing on what matters, your customers and new business. Got your attention? Give us a call or register your interest on our website. Get started today, you owe it to yourself.